Have you ever wondered what really goes on inside your body when you eat leafy greens every day? From the moment they pass your lips until they have been fully digested, leafy greens are hard at work supplying your body with a wealth of nutrients. Leafy greens are a staple in our daily diet. They are the verdant heroes of the vegetable world, featuring prominently in salads, smoothies, and stir-fries. We're talking about the likes of spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, Swiss chard, and collard greens. Each one is a powerhouse packed to the brim with vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These green giants are rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. They're also an excellent source of fiber, offering a feeling of fullness without a high-calorie count. What's more, they're teeming with antioxidants, compounds that help protect your cells from damage. But what happens once you consume these leafy greens? How does your body process them? Let's delve into the journey of leafy greens inside your body, from ingestion to digestion. Ingestion is where it all begins, with you taking a bite of your favorite leafy green. This is the first stage of the fascinating journey that your food undertakes. As you savor the flavor, your teeth, like the best of nature's food processors, grind the leafy greens into smaller, more manageable pieces. This process of mechanical digestion or chewing is crucial because it increases the surface area of the food, making it easier for enzymes to do their job later. But that's not all. Your saliva, a true unsung hero, joins the party. It moistens the food and begins the process of chemical digestion. It contains an enzyme called amylase, which starts to break down the complex carbohydrates in the leafy greens. In this way, your body is already starting to extract the vital nutrients from the greens before you've even swallowed. Once you swallow, the real journey begins. After you swallow, the leafy greens make their way to your stomach. This is where the magic really begins. Think of your stomach as a sort of biological cauldron bubbling away, not with a witch's brew, but with a potent mixture of enzymes and gastric acid. The stomach's role in digestion is pivotal. Its primary function is to break down food, but it does so much more than just that. Now picture this. You've just crunched through a mouthful of spinach or kale. As it slides down your esophagus, your stomach is ready and waiting. Muscles in your stomach walls churn and mix the leafy greens, turning them into a semi-fluid mass known as chyme. But the real hero of this tale is the gastric acid. This is a highly acidic environment, with a pH level of around 1 to 3, similar to that of lemon juice. This acidity is crucial. It's what allows your body to break down the leafy greens you've just consumed. The gastric acid, composed primarily of hydrochloric acid, along with enzymes like pepsin, starts to dissolve the food. This process, known as denaturation, unravels proteins in the food, making them easier to digest. The acid also acts as a line of defense, killing off any unwanted bacteria or pathogens that may have hitched a ride with your food. But what about those wonderful nutrients packed inside the leafy greens? Well, the stomach is designed to handle that too. As the greens are broken down, the nutrients they contain, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, are released and prepared for absorption. This process of digestion within the stomach can take anywhere from 1 to 4 hours, depending on the type and quantity of food consumed. By the time this process is complete, the chyme is ready to be passed on to the next stage of digestion, the small intestine. Now, the nutrients are ready to be absorbed, and that's where the small intestine comes into play. This is where the nutrients from the leafy greens will be absorbed into your bloodstream, to be used by your body in countless essential ways. The small intestine is where the magic happens. It's not just a tube that lets food pass through. It's an active participant in the digestive process, and it's here that the nutrients from our leafy greens really start to be put to use. The small intestine is a 20-foot-long muscular tube coiled up inside your abdomen. Its walls are lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area of the small intestine, allowing it to absorb nutrients more effectively. The job of the small intestine is to absorb the nutrients from the food we eat and deliver them to the bloodstream. When you eat leafy greens, they're broken down into their component parts: vitamins, minerals, fiber, and water. These nutrients are absorbed through the walls of the small intestine and into the bloodstream. Each nutrient has its own path. For instance, vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are fat-soluble, are absorbed into the lymphatic system before being released into the bloodstream. Water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and the B vitamins are absorbed directly into the bloodstream. The fiber in leafy greens isn't absorbed, but it plays a crucial role in the process. It adds bulk to the food, helping it move smoothly through the digestive system. It also feeds the good bacteria in your gut, which in turn produce short-chain fatty acids that nourish the cells of your intestine. The small intestine's job isn't just to absorb nutrients, but to act as a barrier, preventing harmful substances from entering the bloodstream. It's a finely tuned system, and when you eat leafy greens, you're giving it the nutrients it needs to do its job effectively. As the nutrients are absorbed, the remaining undigested material, mostly fiber and water, moves on to the large intestine or colon. Here, water is reabsorbed and the remaining material is formed into stool. With the nutrients absorbed, it's time for the remaining undigested material to continue its journey. The large intestine is the final stop in the digestion process. Now you might be thinking that this is where the story of leafy greens in your body ends. But oh no, my friends, there's more to it. The large intestine, often referred to as the colon, is like the last gatekeeper of nutrients and water. It's here that the last bit of nutrients and water from our leafy greens get absorbed, and the process is nothing short of fascinating. Imagine the large intestine as a busy port, where the final sorting and absorption of goods occur. The goods in this case are water and electrolytes like sodium and chloride. These essential elements are absorbed from the remaining semi-liquid state of the greens. The colon functions like a super-efficient sponge, soaking up every last bit of these valuable resources. But what about the parts that aren't absorbed? Well, they get compacted into what we politely call feces. Yes, it's not the most pleasant topic to discuss, but it's a crucial part of the process. The indigestible parts of the leafy greens, along with other waste products from your body, are compacted and prepared for expulsion. It's the body's natural way of getting rid of what it doesn't need. And while all this is happening, the large intestine is also home to billions of friendly bacteria. These bacteria help break down any remaining nutrients and produce vital substances like vitamin K and certain B vitamins. So even at this final stage, the leafy greens are still providing your body with essential nutrients. So you see, the journey of leafy greens in your body doesn't just end with digestion. Instead, it's a continuous process of absorption, compaction, and finally expulsion. And even after the greens have left your body, the nutrients they provided continue to work their magic, keeping you healthy and energized. The journey of leafy greens in your body ends here, but the effects of their nutrients continue. So, the next time you munch on that salad, remember the incredible journey those leafy greens will embark on. And more importantly, remember the amazing benefits they bring to your body. So, what are the effects of eating leafy greens every day, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the wondrous world of leafy greens and their impact on your body. Leafy greens are like the superheroes of the food world. They pack a punch with a high fiber content, essential vitamins, and minerals. You see, the fiber in these greens aids in digestion by adding bulk to your diet and promoting regular bowel movements. It also helps to control blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and aid in achieving a healthy weight. But that's not all. Leafy greens are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They are a fantastic source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as several B vitamins. These vitamins are vital for maintaining healthy skin, boosting the immune system, promoting blood clotting, and supporting brain health. As for minerals, leafy greens provide calcium for strong bones and teeth, iron for red blood cell production, and magnesium for nerve and muscle function. Now, let's not forget about the potential health benefits of these green powerhouses. Consuming leafy greens regularly can contribute to a reduced risk of chronic illnesses, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. The antioxidants found in these greens help to combat harmful free radicals in the body, thus promoting overall health and well-being. Moreover, leafy greens are also known for their role in maintaining good eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two types of antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light. Regular consumption of these greens can help to prevent conditions like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. In essence, leafy greens are not just a colorful addition to your plate, but a powerhouse of nutrients that support various bodily functions and help ward off diseases. They take you on a journey of health and wellness, one bite at a time, reinforcing the importance of including them in your daily diet. Remember, The journey of leafy greens in your body is a testament to their power, so include them in your diet and reap their benefits.